MPC Stuff, and today we're going to show you the MPC Live wood stand. It's not really an install video. It's pretty simple to install here. As you can see, it's just two wood blocks with this metal piece and metal piece here. It'll come in 4 pieces, and you just want to put those metal parts in there. Once you have it all set, you're going to make sure it's steady and ready and the same size as the MPC. And once you get it in there, they're going to be pretty sturdy in those blocks. And then you'll be able to set the MPC in this way from the back side. The good part is it makes it, as you can see once we're finished here, that you'll be able to pull it out and remove it if you want to move the stand around. And as you can see, it's in there and they're solid. Comes back out outside the back side, just like that. One thing we wouldn't suggest doing too much, and also be very careful when you do, because the way these edges are made, and Akai used the paint on these things, it's just the way it is, and you'll probably notice your unit already probably has a little bit of the paint kind of decaying just by the nature of the paint they use to kind of the rubber way. They'll still work fine, just be very careful with it. Some people won't want to actually take it out. There's also, you can pull the ends off if you like, rather than slide it out, although the sliding method works the best, and that makes it so it's easily portable. Again, this is the whole thing for the MPC Live wood side panels, and they're available at MPCstuff.com. And as you can see on the back side as well, it gives you easy access everywhere. And on the side, we have vent holes for the ventilation, only available at MPCstuff.com. Thank you.